Proper cleaning and maintenance of your breast pump protect both your baby and your milk supply. After every pumping session, disassemble all parts that come into contact with breast milk. Wash them in warm water with mild soap. Rinse thoroughly to remove all soap residue. Allow the parts to air dry completely on a clean towel or drying rack. Avoid wiping them with cloths that may carry bacteria. Make sure all parts are completely dry before storing them in a clean container. Regularly inspect small components like valves and membranes. These parts wear out over time. If they appear stretched, torn, or loose, replace them promptly. Worn parts reduce suction and affect milk output. For electric pumps, check that tubing remains dry. Moisture inside tubing can affect performance. If condensation appears, follow manufacturer instructions for cleaning or replacement. Maintaining your pump properly ensures it works efficiently and safely for a longer period of time.